Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Hakim bin Abdul Manan. Okay, today I would like to explain about this chapter, which is coordinate system. There are three main coordinate system, which is spherical, Cartesian, and cylindrical. For Cartesian, they have x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. A, B, and C is length from origin. Okay. Vector A is equal AX direction of X plus AY direction of Y plus AZ direction of Z. Range of variable X is between negative infinity and infinity. Y is between negative infinity and infinity. Z is between negative infinity and infinity. Okay, for cylindrical, phi is azimuth angle and rho is radius for cylindrical. Z is for height of cylindrical. Vector A for cylindrical is equal A rho direction of rho plus A phi direction of phi plus AZ direction of Z. Range of variable is rho is between from 0 to infinity, phi is between from 0 to 2 pi, and Z is between from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, for spherical, theta is from z-axis to vector arc, and phi is azimuth angle, and arc is for radius for sphere. Vector A is equal A arc direction of arc plus A theta direction of theta plus A phi direction of phi. Range of variable is arc is between from 0 to infinity, theta is between from 0 to pi, and phi is between from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, I will explain more detail about Cartesian. For differential of length at z-axis, red line is for vector dl dz direction of z, and for blue line is vector dl equal dz direction negative of az, and for y-axis vector of dl is equal dy direction of ay for red line. For blue line, vector dl is equal dy negative ay, and for x-axis for red line, vector dl is dx direction of ax, and blue line vector dl is dx direction negative of ax. Okay, for differential of surface, at above of this box is for surface z. ds vector dsz is equal dx dy direction of az, and for y-axis surface of y is equal dx dy direction of ay, and for x-axis surface for x is equal dy dz direction of ax. For below surface for this box is vector ds equal dx dy direction negative az. This is because its direction is going to down. Okay, for differential volume, dv is equal dx dy dz. This is dy, and this is dx, and this is dz. Okay, to find v is triple integration dx, dy, and dz. Okay, for cylindrical coordinate, differential of length, this is quarter of cylindrical shape. For this line, vector dl is equal rho direction negative of arrow. This is because arrow is going to origin. For this line, arrow is going out from origin. Vector dl is equal rho direction of rho. And this line, for red arrow, vector dl is equal dz direction of az. And this line, for curve, vector dl is equal rho dphi direction of phi. Okay, for differentials of surface, vector s for from z direction is equal rho dphi d rho direction of az. As you can see, this shaded region is top of cylinder. And for this, vector of s rho is equal rho dphi dz direction of rho. As you can see, this shaded region is side of cylinder. And for this is vector surface for phi is equal d rho dz direction of phi. Okay, for differential of volume, this is d rho and this is dz, and line of curve is rho dphi. This is standard formula for cylindrical volume. To prove this formula, we can prove by using dv is equal rho d rho dphi and dz. And after that, we must use triple integration, and for rho is limit 0 to rho, and for phi 0 to pi, and for z is 0 to z. For integrate d rho, we can get rho squared over 2, and for phi to pi, and for z is z. So the last is pi rho squared z. For spherical coordinate, differential of length, this is A and B and C. For A, vector dl is equal dr direction of art, and for B, vector dl is equal art d theta direction of theta, and C, vector dl is equal art sin theta d phi direction of phi. Okay, for differentials of surface, as you can see, this shaded region for vector s for from direction of art is equal art d theta art sin theta d phi direction of art. And this blue shaded region is for vector s for phi for theta is equal art sin theta d art d phi direction of theta. And red shaded region is for vector ds phi is equal art d phi d theta d art a phi. Okay, lastly, for differential of volume, this is standard formula for spherical volume. To get this formula, we can prove by using dv is equal art square sin theta d phi d theta d art. Okay. In this formula, we must use triple integration. For limit of art is from 0 to art, and limit for theta is 0 to pi, and limit for phi is 0 to pi. After we integrate for art, we can get r cubed over 3. And for theta, for sine theta, we get negative cos theta, and for phi, we get 2 pi. For negative cos theta, after we put limit pi and 0, we get 2. After multiply all these equation, we get 4 pi r cubed over 3. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all understand my lecture. Bye.